Hello everyone, my name is Zmarie here with Heart4art Live. Today we're going to be continuing our interpretation of the fall of man, part 2. So grab your sketch pads, grab your pencils and erasers, and let's get started. Alright guys, so as I said, we're going to be continuing drawing our interpretation of the fall of man part 2. So let's jump on over to our sketch pads and let's start drawing, okay? So last time when we were drawing, we left off on drawing our interpretation of Adam. So we're going to continue drawing that as well, okay? So if you look at the reference drawing, you can see kind of where we started and stopped over here. So we're just going to kind of continue drawing our interpretation of Adam first, okay? So we're going to come kind of here in the middle and just add in a few details where we see lines or anything like that, okay? And you can see his arm is kind of merging with his body right here. So let's stop about right there. And then come down here where it's representing the clothes. Okay, and then draw the clothes. Okay, we're going to kind of stop right there because this is where we actually have to draw his hand coming down. Okay, so I'm going to erase that line a little bit. Okay, and come here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw his arm. Alright, so we're going to bring it on down here to about right here. Come on the other arm, bring it about right there, and then draw the hand. Try to make that a little darker so you all can see that there. I'm just drawing the hand. And of course, you can draw it the way you know that you wanted to draw it, but I'm trying to get it as close to the reference as I always say, just to make it a little bit easier so you can be on the same step too, okay? Trying to fix a few lines as I go. So I'm just drawing his hands right now. Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson. And some people may like to start left to right or right to left, so whichever way that you actually want to draw it, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to bring his hands together a little more. Or 5. Okay? Trying to make sure I give him 5 fingers. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish drawing the clothing around. Okay. Alright, then we're gonna go to the left hand, well his right hand, my left hand, and start drawing that one, okay? So come about right here and draw the rest of the arm. Go to the hand. And draw in the fingers. kind of like that. And then go down to drawing his legs. And what I'm going to do, since I have my plants kind of down here, I'm going to do it as if he's standing behind the plants, okay? So I'm going to just draw the leg coming down. Okay, add a few details there. And draw the other leg. This one kind of going behind the plants. Okay. Alright, just kind of giving us a basic kind of shape outline there. And if you want to draw the feet and all of that, you can too. So I'm going to kind of do it like it's peeping kind of from behind here, okay? Just kind of like that, just so it does represent that he has feet on here, okay? Okay, and then you're going to go up to the face and draw the face, which is kind of simple. It's mainly line drawing. So do like the eyebrows, a hoop going up, showing that he's looking down. And then I'm going to do my nose next. Eyes. Which I'm gonna kind of do them at an angle. Okay, and then the mouth. Okay, and then you can fix any lines or anything. Like I have it kind of dark, so I'm gonna make that a little lighter. Just to clean it up a little more. Okay, and you can go and add any more details that you may want to add there. Trying to see if I want to make his eyes a little smaller. Yeah. You can add any detail and all that, okay? Okay, and now since we have Adam, now we're going to start drawing Eve. So come a little further about in this gap right here, and we're going to go from the head and down, okay? So do the outline of her hair first. Okay, onto your face. Okay. Draw her hair coming down so we can draw the other side of her face there on the right there. And her ear. And her neck is kind of connected to her ear on this drawing, okay? Out. So as I've been kind of mentioning throughout the episode of what you've seen, it's www.woodprosper. Get your designs noticed on t-shirts, mugs, so much more. Also, check out www.abamcenter.com awesome biblical arts museum with over 150 different multicultural biblical characters. So come back and see us, and I'll see you all next week, okay?
To understand God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.